automatic, we got the boxes, and the biggest one's too big. You can see from here. I can explain you why it can be sealed by the machine. Because when we adjust the maximum height from here, you can see here, the box is too high to fit in. The box is too high to fit in. I can show you here. You can see the gluten here. Returns here. Spots to the knife is also too big here. We already maximum, but the height is still too high. The box height is still too high. You can see this part already blocked the tank going up. So that's why I recommend you to use the other chain conveyor tie semi-automatic hot melt glue box sealing machine. That one is good. So I'll show you more details. Box is too big. And the other problem is the height is too high. Can show you.